Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to perform referencing in Microsoft Word. So if you want to go ahead and learn how to reference in Microsoft Word, then you're onto the right guide. So as you can see, we have a document already open in here. And for us to be able to proceed here onto the upper part, you should be able to see references. So for this one to be performed, it is under the citations and bibliography. We're going to click onto manage sources. So simply click onto that one. And then right after, you'll get redirected onto the source manager. So we're going to go ahead and simply click onto new in here. And then we could go ahead and try to choose what is the type of source. So for example, this one is from a book. So we'll just simply click onto book in here. And then you'll just need to type in the author in here, corporate author if there is any, the title for that one, also the year, the city that it has been published, and also the publisher. So once you have already completed the field in there, just simply click onto OK, and this should be added onto your resources already. So we could go ahead and add in a new one also in here. And as you can see, we have two references already. So we're going to close that one out. And for example, if you want to go ahead and add that one in here, so you're just going to simply click onto the insert citation in here. So we have added two options in here. We have this one and this one since we've added two earlier. So we're just going to simply click onto that citation and it should go ahead and look like this. So you could also choose the style for that. We have APA, Chicago, and many more. So we'll just have to choose onto which option you like. So for example, we want to use Harvard for this and it will go ahead and change the format for that. And that is just basically it onto how to perform referencing in Microsoft Word. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.